So in this tutorial, we are going to talk about how we can use template literals in our codes. So as you see, we have a class here, which is for cars, and it has name, model, number of doors, maximum speed, field type, and acceleration. We have HTML here for it, which shows those all details, and to JavaScript. So what we are going to do now, we are going to inside JavaScript, we are going to make a new new object. So what is inside that object? We call it constant. We name this object as a car name, like Ford. And inside it, we are going to just give some properties related to that class of cars, which is here. This is the cars. We are going to give properties here, like what is its color. Say it's blue. Then the model would be, for example, GTX 20. Then number of doors 3. Then the next one is max speed 130 miles, for example. Then fuel type petrol, and the last one is acceleration, for example 0 to 60 in 11 seconds. I'm going to save that. So after this, I am going to make another object which I will pull all of these HTML details in it. So if I grab all of those, I just cut them, and inside that JavaScript, I'm going to make another object, constant, and I call this one content, which is equal, and I'm using back tickets. If you don't know what is the back ticket, it's these two signs which on your keyboards are under escape key. So I'm just using that. So what this backticks does is tells the browser that everything inside here is a template literal. So now we are going to paste our code that we grabbed from the HTML here, and after this I'm going to type document body dot inner HTML, which is that one. It's equal to content. And when I save these all, you can see it was updated. It's the same thing, but it has been pulled from the HTML. The HTML is empty now, and it's all here. And it's showing the same thing here as well. So now if I go here, for example, in the title of the car name, I'm going to type Ford, and when I save that, you see it is going to update itself on the browser. I'm going to add some values here. For example, after the color, I'm going to add $sign and curly brackets, and inside it, I'm going to refer to the object which we have here, which is Ford, and inside that Ford object, I'm going to refer to the color. So when I save this, it's going to pull that value of blue and put it in front of the color. So I'm going to do the rest here. So I'm going to just copy that, paste it here, and change it to the model. And for that one as well, I'm going to pause the video for a bit. So this is the last one. And I changed that to the acceleration. So when I save that, I successfully pull all this information from that object to this one, which is, it has been pushed to the HTML and it shows on the browser. So this is the way we can do with the template literal. And if you want to do this exercise, I have put the links in the description for the start code and the end code. And we can add, for example, other cars here. So I've done that bit, which is comment now. I just Control/. So it's going to bring back to the normal code. It's the same as that one, but the name is different. It is Fiat, and I have changed some of those properties. For example, white, the model is Panda, 5 doors. The speed is max 110. The fuel is petrol, and 0 to 69. So for that one, we are going to add another HTML here. So I drag that one, Control+C, copy, and paste it here. I'm going to change, as you see, it's the same thing. So I'm going to change some of these details. That one is going to be Fiat, and with capital F. Then I need to change these things to Fiat. So that is the Fiat. So it's going to pull those old details from the Fiat. And that's one. Happen. Okay. Fiat. And the last one is going to be something in US plan. So this one is Fiat as well. So now you can see we successfully add another car with all its specification here. We can add more cars here, copy paste these two things here, and just change some of the properties.